Welcome back to Outdoor Horizons. Today's video, we are going to be backpacking into 2 Alpine lakes. We're hiking into one. We're going to set up a tent before it gets too dark. The plan is to sleep at the first lake, wake up early the next day, hike into the next lake, and catch some fish there. We also have a special guest with us today. I've never been here before, so hopefully it's not too bad of a hike, and hopefully the fishing is worth it. And I'll tell you already, it is absolutely beautiful up here. The sun is setting. Trying to get up there before it sets. All right, we just made it to the lake. Did it in just under 30 minutes. It was just under a mile. Not a bad hike at all, just super hot. There's trout jumping out there like crazy. I really want to go catch them, but the sun's setting fast, so I want to get my tent set up before then. Made it to the first lake, got the tent set up. Gonna celebrate with a blackberry. All right, I can't help it. There's fish jumping like crazy. I want to finish setting up camp, but I gotta get one cast in at least. Just gonna throw the spinner at him. Caught one already. Not a trophy, but a beautiful little brook trout. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a moose right there. It looks farther on camera. Got tent, sleeping stuff all set up. Caught a fish, got a fire going. And the guest of honor. All right, today is in the books, going to bed soon. The plan is to wake up tomorrow, take everything down, and just take what I need to the second lake, and then go catch some fish there, and then come back down here for the rest. And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys in the morning. It is the next morning, just woke up, about to take down the tent. Just enjoying the warmth of the fire on this cold morning. All right, we just packed up camp, fished for a little bit, but I really just want to get to the second lake. I'm hiking to the second lake now. The problem is there's no trail to this lake. So, and I've never been there, so I have no idea the best route. So it might be a long day, but if I can catch some fish there, it's gonna be totally worth it. All right, we're almost there. Still can't see the lake, but on my map, it looks like we're just around the corner. Just took a break at this creek to get Iggy some water and dip my face in it and cool off. All right, we just made it to the second lake. Took me an hour to get here. The reason I wanted to come fish this lake though and not the other one is there are some brook trout in here, but there's also 2 other species in here I've never caught. They're pretty hard to catch, so I don't know if I'll catch one, but I figured might as well give it a try. My reward for making it to the second lake, sponsor me. Oh man, I am disappointed. I've been fishing for 2.5 hours and I've caught 3 brook trout so far. All the fish that are jumping are way out in the middle where I can't cast. Caught 2 on a spinner, 1 on a fly. Just not doing super great. For those 2 target species I wanted to catch, have not seen any sign of them. Don't know if they're still in here. They were stocked in this lake a couple years ago. So I don't know, maybe they didn't survive the winter or what, but very disappointed. But it was beautiful, was an experience, but fortunately now I have a long day ahead of me of packing everything out of here and then a long drive home. All right, we made it back to the car. Not gonna lie, pretty disappointed with how this trip went. The original plan was to get here a lot earlier, fish that first lake, catch a bunch of brookies, eat some of them even, and then wake up early enough, go to the next lake. And I was hoping to catch some surprise species today, fish that I've never caught before. That's the main reason I planned this trip, was to go get them, and unfortunately I didn't even see any sign of them. Had fun though, but just the main goal was not accomplished. But still, just made it back. Long hike. Iggy is exhausted. Got a nice Gatorade and a nice sparkling water. Sponsor me. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. And hopefully the video turns out better than I'm thinking it will.